2017 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, power windows, power door locks, security system, CD player, side airbag, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, tachometer, overhead console, power mirrors, power outlets, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.